Now what is it?
I'm having trouble with the radar, sir.
What's wrong with it?
I've lost the bleeps, I've lost the sweeps, and I've lost the creeps.
The what? The what? And the what?
You know, the bleeps, the sweeps, and the creeps.
It's not all
Wow, that is great. We loved him in Police Academy movies, Spaceballs. Michael Winslow has an amazing talent. He's known as the man of 10,000 sound effects.
Michael Winslow, great to have you in studio in this cold weather.
Good to be back. Good to
Thanks
be back.
for coming in.
Good morning, everybody, and happy to all of you.
Yeah.
Right?
You know what I think of Minus Park?
Don't get us fired.
Don't get us fired.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Can you
Good to see
imagine
you.
that when you were, in Spaceballs and all that, you think, boy, I'm going to be 67 years old and I'm going to still be doing this.
Yeah, and I've been doing this since 19 swimming around there. And it's been a while, and what a career, what an opportunity.
great.
And it's going to be back. The last time I was here, really here was way back Wednesday on WGN.
Oh my gosh,
Way
it's
back
going
in the
back.
day. And we're back again, and I want to do more stuff on WGN. What do we have to do? Huh?
Yeah.
I got to ask you first,
Just tune us in. Stay warm.
how did you realize you had this talent? I mean, when you were a kid, were you imitating people? What happened?
Well, Mom said I was doing this since 6 months old because we lived next to the active runway because I was an Air Force brat.
Okay.
My father was Tuskegee Airman and then Army Air Corps and now this. And I was growing up next to, whereas in your case, just leave the door locked. How?
Right? I mean, so your mother's like, you're going to make a career out of this? What did she think?
The baby's making jet noises.
I read somewhere that you were in some project where you were recreating musical instruments. Is that something that you...
Yeah, I do that too.
Yeah.
We'll start from the beginning. I've had a chance to, the last few years, I've been on some people's records.
Oh my.
I'm on the new, I'm on one of John Anderson from the group Yes. John Anderson's record is called Makes Me Happy, the alternative version, where he had me beatbox some music for him. So I've been with that, and we have music things coming up, and our live show is going to be very special.
So
great.
give us a sampling of what you do on that Yes album.
Yeah, how does that work?
How does that?
The song is called Makes Me Happy, which
Yeah.
starts with a simple... And John, yeah, so I'm very, very lucky to have done that, and now the music side of my career seems to be taking off. And,
That's great.
And now I'm doing these live shows. I'm here to see you, and
Yeah.
I'm here with Morgan Preston, who's one of Weird Al's openers.
Oh my gosh.
The Comedy Circus of Death tour.
Oh.
The Guinness Book of World Records, 50 shows in 50 states in 48 days. So our shows are different, eclectic, and very musical. And sometimes we have a drummer, sometimes I have a guitar player, sometimes we jam, like with the Wooten brothers.
Oh,
I
it's
just
awesome.
with Victor Wooten, and his brother Joseph was with Steve Miller Band. So we get a lot of music
great.
stuff. So
Fantastic.
I promise you, our job is to help you forget about the rent for an hour. And that's what we do.
That
And
is
we've
the
got great
truth.
shows.
Did you
and
have-
we're here at the Vault.
The Comedy Vault in Batavia.
Yeah.
The one that goes. Darn it. I got it.
Nice.
Spaceballs?
Speaking of Spaceball, what was your interaction like with Mel Brooks?
He was great. Mel Brooks is the only person I know that can wear a three-piece suit with tennis shoes and rock it and pull
Yes.
it off. And he's 99, and I guess you
great.
heard about the special on HBO. that he's
Right,
in.
the
Documentary,
99
right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. And talk about, you're the only one who was in all of those Police Academy
One through
movies.
infinity.
One?
Wow.
Infinity.
And what were you most known for? What was the first thing they brought you in for? They said they heard you somewhere, and because that was your big break.
Believe it or not, I was opening for Count Basie and his orchestra.
No way.
I was
How old are you?
I'm 67, man. It was one of my first
So what
gigs.
were you
and
doing? What did they say? We want you to do this in the Police Academy movie.
Well,
What did
because
they say?
they had seen me in the Cheech and Chong Film Festival.
Yes.
Because I was no script, by the way. They improv'd everything, all the scripts. So I was the guy going, "Hey man, look who's doing our noises, man."
Hey, that's for Al, man.
We have a clip of you from The Gong Show.
Oh
You
yeah,
met-
19.
Oh,
Yeah.
let's see
Chuck
it.
Barris, The Gong Show.
Let's see.
I don't even remember what I
If you're
did.
not watching this channel, you're probably watching
my
the other
God.
channel on the
Like a
other
sheepy?
network.
Benji, my doggy! Oh, you ran away!
Hey, that got me on The White Shadow, believe it or not.
It did.
That got me on a guest episode of The White Shadow.
What was your what character would that have been?
It was called Psyched Out. He was a crazy kid who couldn't discern reality from
Really?
from fantasy, which is kind of like now.
And now you're going to be doing production on westerns.
Yeah, yep. We're going to be making things. I want to make specials. We're going to make westerns where I do the horses, I do the hoofs, the chicken noises, you know.
Give us a little sampling. Okay.
Oh no! Oh no!
Hang on, the still's almost done. Latte. All right, hang on.
Thank you.
Okay. Wow.
You're still going.
But we're going to make a lot of things, and that's why I'm touring now with Morgan. A lot of music, because sometimes we have a drummer, sometimes
Yeah.
we have a bass player, sometimes people come in and jam with us.
That's awesome.
So great to see you
So
again,
good
Michael.
to see you, Michael. Thanks for getting up early with us. We appreciate it.